Dearest Samiksha team, patrons, volunteers, teachers, and children, thank you so much for inviting me to the Samiksha Foundation Scholarship Program. It's always a privilege to see children grow and watch them gain these awards through their journeys. Uh, Samiksha has been with NH for the past 3 years, and we've had our own little journey at NH. We've had several children go through the Samiksha program in the last few years, and despite all odds like COVID, lockdowns, the pandemic, Samiksha has managed to keep children going with their education. The new online platforms that have been created had a few glitches initially, like anything else, but have been working wonderfully since then and have given so many children access to education despite the fact that they may have finished treatment and headed back home. Our parents and children are ever grateful for the opportunities that Samiksha provides besides education, like yoga, crafts, fun activities, and all of that. Being a pediatric psycho-oncologist, it's always been of interest to me to watch and understand how children are able to grow and cope in situations in which they are diagnosed with such big diseases like cancer. In order to do this and to understand all the factors that were involved in setting up a program like Samiksha at Cancer Institute, we published a small pilot study somewhere last year, which showcased the challenges, the benefits of setting up learning centers at tertiary care cancer centers. And we were also able to showcase the numbers of children with some snippets of real life interviews and feedback from parents, children, and volunteers who worked at the center during the setting up stages. This paper is freely available. So, if you'd like to take a look at it, please do get in touch with any of the Samiksha team, and I'm sure they'll be happy to share it with you. Again, I'd like to thank everyone at Samiksha, the core team, the volunteers, the teachers, and of course the patrons who are able to keep this going for all of us and help us benefit so many children through their journeys with cancer. I hope in the coming years that NH is able to participate in the Samiksha Foundation Scholarships Program as well, and we can watch our children, get their scholarships and be able to complete their education despite all odds. Cheers and Jai Hind.
Hello everybody, I am Chitra Vaidya, volunteer with Samiksha and is being connected with them right from its inception. First, when I heard about this project from my friend Manjiri, I like the idea of not only looking after the mental well-being of these children, but also bringing school to them. You all know how upset a child is when he comes to school for the first time. But soon he starts liking it, and then when he can't attend his school, he misses it too. Every time I visited Samiksha, I could see that happiness and eagerness of attending these workshops and learning new skills in the eyes of these children. Unfortunately, I couldn't take part in their classes, even though I am a teacher and love teaching children. This year, due to pandemic, none of the children were able to attend their schools. Even these children miss their teachers at Samiksha. But I must applaud Samiksha and his team for coming up with this idea of making videos for these children and continuing their education. I am grateful to Sandhya and Manjiri for giving me this opportunity of doing the Marathi translation of their study material. Initially, there were lots of problems because we are not techno savvy, but the team held our hands and taught us all the new skills, and I'm really enjoyed doing the translation work for Samiksha, and I hope that my efforts have also helped these children learn something new. Once again, I wish all the best to Samiksha team in all their future projects. Thank you.
I currently work as an accountant at Samiksha Foundation, and it's been a wonderful journey of almost 2 years now. I overlook account entries, data recording, compiling and analyzing information, and creating effective systems of data management. Although we are based in Bengaluru, our team helps us to reach out to more and more deserving children. I had the opportunity to connect with many wonderful children, which has been a fulfilling experience for me. I have gained many valuable lessons and memories from these interactions. In our journey in 2021, in addition to Tech to Teach initiative, we did voiceovers for class 5th and 7th, science and mathematics respectively, which is available on the Samiksha USky learning platform. I also assist in teaching the children at Narayana Radhalaya Health City. The subjects I teach are English, mathematics and science. To add to their academics, I also encourage them in drawing and painting sections, which they very much enjoy. It has been an absolute delight to be able to assist the children with everyday learning. All this would not have been possible without the love and support of all our donors, and a sincere thanks to Mrs. Sandhya for being a great mentor and a constant source of support and opportunities.
Hello everyone, my name is Poornesh. I am working in Samiksha Foundation as a Learning Center Coordinator from the past 6 months. In my 6-month work experience, I have seen kids who cries to come to the class first day, and I have seen the same kids cry to leave Samiksha class after completion of the treatment. I worked in Kidwai Hospital for 1 year as a social worker. When I joined Samiksha Foundation, I felt like it is difficult to adjust to this field because caring cancer kids and educating them is new concept for me. But now I am comfortable with this work because of Parvati ma'am and Vidyavati ma'am. Their experience with the cancer kids and education field helped me a lot in my work. Thank you so much.